Today, I'm going to show you a platform that has been built to give traders a safe environment, okay? One that empowers you to really achieve the success that traders can achieve with serious work. Now, this is a place where you can step up your trading with Future Finance, okay? FutureFinance24 is a platform built, like I said, so all traders, whether you're beginner, advanced, or you're just thinking about trading, you can come in here, feel comfortable, and really get steps to that next level. So, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, do this for education purposes only. Let me show you what I'm talking about. All right, guys, this is the website, FutureFinance24.com. You can see here, step up your trading straight away. They focus on providing an environment where traders are empowered to achieve trading success, a cutting-edge trading platforms, a diverse range of assets, and transparent and personalized services. You can go global with FutureFinance24, okay, getting into stocks, indices, commodities, forex, and all that. But what I want to do, instead of just going through the website, I want to show you that I actually am logged in, and I want to show you the trading room, okay? First thing I'm going to do is show you the interface of trading in this platform, which is absolutely fantastic, guys, all right? It's super user-friendly, and it really makes life easy for me. All right, so as soon as you go into the interface, guys, you can see up top, it'll say your balance, your equity, your open P&L, which is profit and loss, what time is it, and what time zone. Okay, you can use your account up at the top right. If you want to add a new coin in here, okay, you can change it however what you want. Same with TradingView with market up charts. Okay, I'm not here to teach you how to trade. I'm here to show you how amazing this trading platform is. Now, guys, you can add to your favorites, or you can add your cryptocurrency, so you can find them at one click. They have your crypto, the currencies, commodities, stocks, and indices all down the left-hand side. And when you want to trade, guys, it's on the right. So you have your trade and pending, your buying and selling, okay, how much of investment in USD you want to do. You could put your take profit in there, so add that. Always have a stop loss in, guys. I don't know if you've been taught that, but I'm telling you right now, always have a stop loss in. Make sure it's a good risk, all right? And then simply place your orders. At the bottom, you'll see your open orders, your pending orders, and your close as well, so you can keep full track of this. Okay, guys, putting an order straight in on here is called a market order, okay? This is an instantaneous order. As soon as you click place order, it will take you through to confirm, all right, if you had the money in there, and it would instantly put that on. Now, there is a different kind of trades that you could put on, okay? Limit orders, where you choose a price, okay, a price that you want to put on, and you can add that order in. So as soon as this, say, rises to this price where I put the limit, it then will add it on for me, and that will start the trade, okay? You have stop loss orders, guys, okay? All right, where if it's reaching the stop loss, it can re-enter, all right, or limit the possible stop loss that you're going to have, okay? Very easy to add a stop loss. Like I said, make sure your risk is on here, okay? Make sure this risk is very, very calculated. Do not just choose a random number, or you might lose the liquidity of your account. You'll take profit orders, okay? Like I said, all this does, guys, all right, you put the take profit and it will simply close out at the take profit mark. This should also be on there. You don't want to get this rising all the way up, okay? Drawing a line, rising all the way up to here, and then coming all the way back down, and you just missed out because you never put a take profit in. That's not what we want to see, all right? So if you're buying or selling, just simply click between the two. Like I said, very, very user-friendly on here, right? That's the trading face. Now, it's not just me talking about this, guys. There is articles everywhere talking about this. Like, for example, you can go up to European Financial Review, a very trusted site, and it talks about Future Finance 24 as it integrates AI into this, giving you simplifying financial operations, and enhanced user experience, evaluating the impact for you. Security and reliability is taken care of, guys, and much more. It gives you all the information on their company, so you can be rest assured that this is a transparent, functional, honest company. All right, and that's why I love Future Finance so much. Okay, it's one account for endless marketing opportunities. Okay, there's real customer support here that can help you. It's fast and transparent, and all the tools are at your fingertips. Okay, whatever it is you want to trade, the dashboard is easy, like I just showed you. It's very user friendly. Okay, and you can sign up now. Simply go to the bottom of the website, hit the link down below to do that. Choose your country, your phone, your password, everything, and simply start trading. Okay, you can open a free trading account in a matter of minutes. You can deposit funds in there and start getting involved in this platform. I love this, guys, all right? There's so many different account types on here that you can get involved with. You got bronze, silver, gold, and platinum, okay? I chose gold just because it said the most popular choice, and to be fair, it's the one that I wanted, okay? It all depends on your deposit. So you got 250 million deposit, and that gets you all these advantages. All right, silver, gold, and platinum, and read what you get. Choose what's comfortable to you. You don't need to just choose the higher one because you want to, or the lower one because you think you need that. Just choose what it feels comfortable to you as a trader at your level. There you go, guys. Super cool platform, all right? Make sure you do stay safe out there in the trading markets. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe and the bell if you want to notified. Hit that link down below. Get a free account set up and just see what I'm talking about. I'll see you next time.